When it comes to installation, the first thing we need to consider is the pump unit location. First off, remember, pumps are great at pushing, not pulling, and so you want that pump unit as close as possible to your supply source to get the best possible NPSH available for that pump unit. Now, second to that though, you also want that pump unit to be accessible as possible. And that's not just for ease of installation, that's also going to help for any type of maintenance and repair we need to do down the road. If that pump is placed very close to a wall or very close to a tank, it may be more difficult to get to that pump to do any type of preventative maintenance, inspection, or repair. Remember, we may want to take the head off the pump, pull the rotor and shaft out, take out the seal, and do all of that without pulling the pump unit from service. And so we want to make sure there's adequate space around that pump unit to be able to facilitate those activities. The last thing to keep in mind is the port arrangement. Remember, Viking pumps can be configured often with the suction port on either side of the pump. So we want to make sure that that's on the correct side of the pump so that it can be pointing towards your supply tank. If not, then the pump may need to be reconfigured in the field, or you may need to get creative with the piping, which adding length of pipe can also increase your NPSH. So we want to avoid that if possible. Again, suction port of the pump should be pointed towards the tank. Your discharge port should be pointed away.